10:40. It's like 10:40. 10:40 right now, and it's still scorching hot out here. I'm sweating like crazy. But hey, I'm gonna get them off this trailer though.
Are they tripping already?
A gentleman that I was supposed to be racing with the other Plaid. Just the Plaid that I'm racing. It's a guy I'm supposed to be doing right here. Cool, cool dude there, man. You want to plug your channel in right quick?
So, we're out of Flint, Texas. TX Elite Auto and Performance. We usually don't build electric cars. We build fast cars. But
but yeah, that's what we supposed to be racing here. We're going to do something. You got one of them Sir Hair things, or you do your own thing?
Do my own thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna respect that. So y'all see it. We finna see what it do. We finna see what he do. See if he gonna get me hard.
No.
Now he is completely gutted. You know, I should take my damn shoot off.
I know.
I keep it posted right quick. I'm just get a little content right now.
You're good.
All right, man. Good to see you though, man. And hey, I'm glad you you know, we'll talk about it out there, but I'm glad you know, you just answer, because people are scared to race, man. They wins or loss, man. People just, they take the fun out of racing, man, because
I don't care.
People scared to take a lose or one, you know. It's just for the fun, because we love doing it, but
exactly.
Yeah. But hey, keep me posted, and I'll be around. But yeah, that's what I'm supposed to be racing right here, y'all. Here, his Plaid, he got something going on with that bad boy, so we're gonna see what they do. He cut a lot of stuff out of it. He's completely gutted. I'm full interior rear seat delete. He ain't got nothing in there but one seat. And it looks nice though. He ain't got no split on there. So yeah, we're gonna see what they do. Stay tuned for that video there. Plaid on Plaid crime. We finna go edit Plaid on Plaid. Plaid on Plaid. Plaid on Plaid. He got me. He got me.
Y'all doing a lane switch now?
Yeah, we're going back. So tonight, he got me on. He's gonna do the best 2 out of 3. He got me on both. Tonight wasn't my night. I had problems staging both times. You know, not trying to make an excuse, but that's part of racing. Things happen. That's part of racing. But cool dude. We're gonna redo it over again another time and run it back. But definitely can't win them all. You know, like I said. Wins and losses, you're gonna get that with me, you know. It is what it is. We're gonna come back. I did have a problem with an error code popped up, but that goes to show not testing properly, not, you know, doing it by the steps. I got my team with me, so to look over things and get back. Because I was told to test it, but I ain't gonna lie, I slipped in and kind of like fell through the cracks, got lazy, got sidetracked with something else, and then come straight out here, you know, hot, which is good for us. But for some reason, my car, when I was staging, I was having problems. And then the second pass, I felt the car kind of slipped a little bit though. But he's a good, you know, my guy. You know, like I said, I ain't making no excuse, but he is completely gutted. You know. Maybe I don't know. You know, depending on what my guys say, if we're gonna do that route one day. You know. So, you know, gutted takes more stuff out of that, means more less weight. I got a roll bar now, parachute, take all that off, you know, as long as the track's on trip, I think we'll be in the money, you know. So, it is what it is. Stay tuned for more. I'm finna get this thing off and get loaded up and everything, and yeah, I'll be back. Let me get things fixed up and ready to go. like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.